In this video, I will tell you a very interesting method of finding trigonometric ratios of sine for all the specific angles from 0 to 90 degree by using our hand. For this, I will use my left hand in such a way that your palm should be facing towards you. Okay? So here, the angles which we will study here are 0 degree till 90 degree. So let me draw the figure for you. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. That means if I use my hand, so my fingers including thumb will indicate 5 angles. If you compare this figure with your hand, then you will find that this finger shows 0 degree, this shows 30 degree, this shows 45 degree, this shows 60 degree and the thumb shows 90 degree. Okay? So how we can find out the ratios of sine for these angles using our hand, I will tell you in this video. So let's see what is the method. The method is sine theta is equal to under root fingers below upon 2. This is a trick for finding out the ratios of sine using our left hand fingers and thumb. So for 0 degree, I will use this finger. As I told you, this finger is for 0, this is for 30 degree, it is for 45 degree, it is for 60 degree and this thumb is for 90 degree. So let us see the ratio of sine for 0 degree. So sine 0 degree is equal to under root finger below. If we are using this finger for 0 degree, then you can see there is no finger below. Then we will write here 0 upon 2. That means sine 0 degree is equal to under root 0, which means 0 upon 2, that is equal to 0. So the value of sine 0 is equal to 0. Let's go for sine 30 degree. Now sine 30 degree, we will use same formula, under root finger below upon 2. So if we use this finger for 30 degree, then finger below this finger is 1. So under root 1 upon 2. Now we know that under root 1 is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore sine 30 degree is equal to 1 upon 2. Let's move on sine 45 degree. Now sine 45 degree is equal to under root. This finger shows 45 degree. So finger below 45 degree is 2 fingers. So under root 2 upon 2. If we simplify it, we can write it as under root 2 upon. We can write 2 as under root 2 into under root 2. So under root 2 will cancel and we will get the value 1 upon under root 2. So sine 45 degree is equal to 1 upon under root 2. Let's move on sine 60 degree. Now this finger shows sine 60 degree. So finger below this finger are 1, 2, 3. So under root 3 upon 2. We cannot solve it further. So sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2. And the last one is sine 90 degree. Now here thumb shows the value of sine 90, looking at this figure. So sine 90 is equal to fingers below thumb are 1, 2, 3, 4. So under root 4 upon 2. Now under root 4 is equal to 2 upon 2, that is equal to 1. So sine 90 degree is equal to 1. So in this way you can find out the ratios of sine from 0 degree till 90 degree by using your left hand. I hope you like this video. Thank you.